Okay, you want to record?
Sure.
Sweet. We're uploading another. Here, let's show like a chair how to hold it. You can get Mackenzie in there. Since you're the one that's like hiding from the camera. Like
You don't like to be in it.
Because I look fat.
You're beautiful. Hey everybody, we're uploading another video because it's only 8:30 and we have nothing better to do.
31.
I've a minute off.
That means we have 19 minutes.
Wow.
I had to think
We've
about
only-
it. I had to think about it.
I got candy. There's candy all over the table. Get up.
It's what?
I don't know what it is, but it's really good.
They're
Sour Patch Kids.
You don't share.
Well, duh.
I had one earlier.
She gave it to us.
Yeah, because I can't.
I'm more like Forrester because I didn't even ask for it.
We're not gonna make the video that long because the longer it is, the longer it takes to upload. I'm just trying to eat my candy.
Why do you eat all the orange ones?
Because I like the orange one.
Well, so do I.
You guys like my camera skills?
Oh yeah.
No, guys, literally comment for that. Literally. Or email me my hair.
Or like
Do it.
Like it.
Like it.
You're forcing them to like whatever.
Exactly.
None of them like any of my other videos.
You're pressuring them.
Good. They need to start liking my videos. Ow. It would really help me in my YouTube career.
Guys, let's look at the bitch over here. You can't see her, but she's in front. There's a pink lunchbox in front of her.
What? No.
No.
It's not a video, it's a video. I'm literally trying to...
That chick is evil.
Whenever I hear evil, I think of how Mermaid Man does it on SpongeBob.
Oh, I love SpongeBob.
SpongeBob logic. You could live in a circular pineapple with corners in it.
SpongeBob can make a fire under the sea. Now he's got some magic. Are you just like going around the entire study
How
hall?
about you keep it focused on this? Because I don't want to creep. It's on the table.
There's nothing on the table.
There's dots.
It's right
What is
there.
that? What the fuck is that?
Oh, I see it. Right there.
It's right there. It's right there. It's 3 minutes. I think we should cut it because, like,